newest album, Acoustic Princess OPM. So I want to start this one with this song. It's a cover of a song by River Maya. Kilala niyo ba River Maya? Yes, it's about someone who has so much love in his heart, pero walang gustong magmahal sa kanya. Sino bang mga ganyan dito? Wow! Talaga naman po, dalawang kamay pa yung tanaas niya. So this one is for you. I dedicated this song for you.
Take all the sorrows from every goodbye. I channel the tears so no one ever needs to cry. Singing, nobody cares for me. Nobody here needs me. To share, but nobody dares, nobody cares for me. On some of the oceans, we drown everything. I wanna be sheltered to the countless in shame. Erase every conflict, every divide. I wanna give every little thing till I die. Singing, nobody cares for me. Nobody needs me. To share, but nobody dares, nobody cares for me. Okay naman siya, come on! Sabay-sabay tayo. 2, 3, 4, go ahead. Cute naman, may mga balloons pa. Hi sa mga bagets dito.
Wow, surprise! Okay, nanite, comfortable lang.
Nobody cares for me.
Thank you! Kasi kasi po yung nag-focus sa camera.